Hello, welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. Here we have started Lead Code 50 series. So we have successfully running this series. We have already covered 34 videos. Now we are in the 35 video. So 35th video we are going to solve this problem. Last person to fit in the bus. So if you see my channel, we have a lot of videos with tutorials and then solve problem solving. We have mostly used the W3 schools to explain every concept in detail with an examples there. And now we have started Lead Code 50 series to help you to solve any SQL interviews and to improve your problem solving skills. We are aiming for this series. So now the problem number is 1204. So last person to fit in the bus. Let's see this table schema first and then we understand the problem statement and then see the example to understand better. They have given you some Q table is there. Column names are person ID, person name, weight and turn. So person ID contains the unique values here and the table has information about all the people waiting for a bus. Okay, Q table is waiting for the bus. People things are there. So the person ID and turns columns will contain all the numbers from 1 to n. So 1 to n number of rows will be there. Okay. So the turn determines that the order of the people will be board the bus, where turn one donates the first person to board, and turn n is the denotes the last person to board. The weight is the weight of the person in kilograms. Okay, so the person name and weight of that person, and then his turn, the person ID. Turn is nothing but at what time denotes that the at what time the person will board the bus. If it is one, this is the first person, the second person, third person, like the nth person, like that to board the bus. That is to take the bus. Okay. This is a queue of people waiting for to board a bus. However, the bus has a weight limit of weight limit is there for the bus, that is 1,000 kilograms, so that so that maybe the some people who can't board. So up to this particular weight, like summing up of weighting of the person. So if particular person, so some kth person, up to that sum of weights of that person will limit to 1,000 kgs, then other persons will not able to board the bus. Okay, that point we have to understand. So now what they're asking is write a solution to find out the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the limit. So I said right, kth person maybe the person who are getting the sum of till now persons will get 1,000 kilos. Then other from that person will not be able to board the bus. Hmm? Now the last person will be kth person, right? So the kth person name they want, like without exceeding the limit of the bus. Okay. So now the test cases are generated such that the first person doesn't exceed the. So they have, like if you say the one person will be having that much cages, then what will be the last person? The first person will be the last person. If you say like that, they are telling like the test case are generated such that the first person doesn't exceed the weight limit. So the first person will be a small, less than this particular cages person will be there. Okay. Note that only one person can board the bus at any given turn. So if it is first turn, for one turn only one person can board the bus. Okay, group of persons will not can able to board the bus. So that things they have given us as a key points. Okay. So now let's see the same example with an example to understand better. Now they have a queue table. So persons are there, and then person's name and weight and turn of the persons we have given. So let's see the understand first. So five person ID is there. 5% is ID is there. Weight is 250 kgs. That is turn one. The first turn, this person have taken boarded the bus. So last person they want, right, up to 1,000 kgs, which is the person. So fifth person, let's see this. Fifth person has boarded the bus in the first turn. In the first turn, fifth person have taken the boarded bus. That is 250 his weight. 250. Then on the second turn, let me just have the turns first. So turns first. First in the first turn, the fifth ID person we have, which is weighted 250. On the second turn, if you see here, Alex, which is a person ID is 3. His weight is 350. Okay, 350. And then which is a next turn. Sorry, second turn is there, right? This is second turn. Sorry, second turn. Second turn Alex is the person ID is 3 and that is 350. And then we'll be having like third turn. Sorry, third turn. We have third turn for this sixth person with the sixth person with weight 400. If we see is weight crossing that or not, see 300 plus 500 plus 1 600, 600 plus 400. Now we can see up to here we have crossed like 1000 limit. Now the weight is heavy loaded. Okay, weight criteria is now it's crossed 1000. Okay, so now 1000 kgs is crossed. The last person here is the sixth person, which is in third turn sixth person. The name of the person they want is John Cena. So this is what we have getting as an output here. So this is what they're expect. The foreign table is ordered run for simplicity. So see, based upon turn, we have to first order. Based upon turn, we have taken order like first and third turn. These are the IDs. So see, it is total weight up to here is cross 1000. So this is the last person. They have to link that. So that's what we have done here, right? So hope the problem statement and what they're asking is now clear. Let's see how we can solve this by writing an query. So this can be solved in different ways. As I said, the same problem can be solved in different ways. Okay. So this is a simple select from I'm starting and from which table from Q table. So from Q table we have to do the everything. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to do this by solving using inner join. Okay, let me have inner join. So same table we have to look up, right? At the time we have to use inner join only from the Q table. Same tables to differentiate this thing. Let me have the aliasing name as Q1 and then Q2. So Q1 Q2 aliasing in the on what condition we have to match this. We have to write on. So see, if you see Q1 should be greater than, right, the first turn should be greater than uh, other thing. So that should be considered as first turn like that. On this condition, I'm just grouping. So before turns onto one group and after the next turns will be another group like that. Spelling mistake here. Turn. So Q1 turn is less than or equal to Q2 turn. So like this I'm doing, and again I want to do is one thing is that is group by, because uh, turns can be many, like same turn should not be repeated right for Q1. So I'm just grouping with Q1 there. Now what they want is having weight weight condition, right? So that is sum of weights should not be greater than 1000. So that is weight Q2 dot weight should be less than or equal to 1000. So then did they are asking any order? Not, but we have to order with based upon weight, right? So that we'll understand which is having heavy weight like that. So yeah, group by, sorry, order by sum of weights descending. I'm just having limit of one, so that we'll get only first thing, first an idea of that only, because the repetition they tell like only person ID is the unique value, so weight cannot be an unique thing, right? I hope these things are not needed. But to get maximum weights first, we have to add that one also. So select, we have to get person name, right? Person name only from that they want. So no need of aliasing name. So let me just have like a small q1 dot person name. So these things will help you to get what they are the required. So now it's accepted. So Johnson get what? First thing what we have to, let's see quickly what we have done. We have done like a two partition of this. So based upon turn we have did partition. So if it is a first turn, then whatever the lower things we have grouped them on this thing, so that we'll get, if any last numbers before that we'll get that. So if you see 5, so before that we have Elise, and the checking with after this, grouping with turn ID, checking the maximum weights before that, not crossing 1000, then we are getting that particular top table first one, like that. Every time we are taking top turns and then rest of the turns like that. So the same problem we can also solve by using other format, also by using CTE. If you remember that CTE concept, you can just solve this particular thing by using that also. So with CTE, some name for the CTE as select person name whose weight is over just partitioning by using the turn. The same thing which we are doing here, the partitioning with the turn, lower turns compared to one turn. The same thing which you are doing with accumulated Q, like that. Accumulated weight will get from that Q table. So now person from that accumulated Q, where accumulated weight should be less than 1000, less than or equal to 1000, and that will be descending order first limit, that is last person they want, right? So that it is descending order, last person will be that kind of thing. So I hope you have understood, right? The same thing which you can, I'm just make you run. Will this work or not? I will show you. Partition kind of thing we can do by like that. Also inner query also we can do over partition kind of thing. I'm submitting this. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section, and hope these things are clear for you. If you have any other possible ways to solve this problem, let me know in the comment section. That will definitely help our subscribers and for me to understand the things better. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.